Welcome guys, Peyton here. Today we are in AI tools to be more productive. So basically, I will be giving you the name of some AI tools and you will decide to use them or not. Number 1. Assembly. This is a very useful tool that will save you a lot of time. This AI basically does the work of a newspaper. What I mean with this is that some newspaper write down everything that has been recorded in an audio. This AI transcribes the audio and also can summarize YouTube videos. So if you want to watch video with a length of 1 hour, you can copy paste the link and it will give you the most important points. Number 2. Talked books. What this AI does is that you ask something and they will offer you a lot of books answering your question. Number 3. Runwayml. It is a video, audio, and image editor. This is very useful if you're a photographer and you don't know how to make good editings of your photos. The same goes for the videos. Or if you're a journalist and there are some noises that you want to remove, or if you're a person like me, a content creator with no time and you want to speed up your process. So if you enjoyed, you know what to do. Share the video with your friends, like it, and subscribe. That's the most important thing. I have got nothing else to say. Until the next one.